Now listen, if I could go back to the first day I started forex trading, right? I would have saved myself months and months of stress, blown accounts, sleepless nights, and emotional damage, because nobody really tells beginners the truth. Like, social media makes forex trading look very, very easy. You see luxury cars everywhere, you see profit flashes everywhere, and you see flashy lifestyles and people turning $100 into thousands of dollars overnight. But the truth is, behind the scene, most beginners are confused, emotional, over trading and losing money quietly. They can't tell anybody, right? Sometimes they are even ashamed to say, I blew account. And honestly, I was one of them, right? I was really one of them. I thought forex trading was all about finding the perfect strategy. But after some years of trading and learning, failing and improving, I realized the biggest lessons had nothing to do with indicators. So in this video, I'm going to share the things I truly wish I knew before I started trading. If you are a beginner, this could have saved you months or even years of frustration. And if you've already started trading already, you know how it is, you will probably relate to every single point. So let me break it down because you probably need it. Before we dive in, if you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button. If you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is at the description. If you want to join my Telegram community, the link is also at the description. So let's start with number one. Forex is more psychological than strategy. Now, one thing I wish someone told me early is this: trading is more mental than technical. Now, most traders spend all day, right? They spend all day, all time looking for the best strategy. But the real problem is usually emotions. You see, greed, fear, impatience, revenge trading, overconfidence, all of those kill beginners. You can have the best setup in the world and still lose money if your emotions control your decision. Now, there are times I enter trade too early because I was scared of missing out. Other times I heard losing trades, hoping the market would magically revise, and that's how accounts get destroyed. The truth is, discipline matters more than indicators. Here is the question: can you follow a plan consistently? Can you accept losses calmly? Can you avoid forcing trade? Now, that is what separates profitable traders from emotional gamblers. Now, most people don't fail because they like strategy. They fail because they can't control themselves. And once I understand that, my trading started changing completely. Hey, listen. Just hold on a bit before you proceed, right? I want to ask you a very simple question. Are you not tired of blowing our accounts? Are you not tired of blowing account upon account? Are you not tired of dashing your broker money? Right? Are you not tired of buying a pro-firm challenge upon challenge without passing anyone? So right here, right, I just put out an ebook for you. I've done the best research I can do to put out the best ebook for you to control your emotion and your psychology. So the link is at the description and it's going to be the first link at the description. So click on the link and go get this ebook. It's going to help you 100%. That is a promise. That is a promise. It's going to help you 100%. So just imagine you sit down at the comfort of your house and you're making over $200, $300, $500, $1K, $50, even $20 every single day from the comfort of your home. So I'm telling you, right, from experience and from reality and from the bottom of my heart, immediately you get this ebook, I'm telling you, and you follow everything that is in the ebook, you will never ever blow that account again. That's a promise from me. And go right now, click at the description. I think this slot is for like 50 people. So the first 50 people to get it, that's all I am. I will just completely shut down the ebook from functioning. For first 50 people to get the ebook, I want to say a very big congratulations to you. Big congratulations to you. So let's meet at the other side of life, or let's meet at the other side of success. So see you guys. Now, number two is risk management, right? Risk management is everything. Now, I used to think, right, making money in Forex was about winning a lot of trades, right? But that is 100% wrong. The real secret is protecting your capital, because if your account survives, right, you always get another opportunity. I remember risking huge percentage on single trade because I wanted fast profit, right? I want to grow the account as fast as possible. You all know that, right? One bad day would wipe out weeks of progress, and that is the reality you can hide. And that is when I learned something important. Now, professionals, right? Professional traders focus more on how much they can lose than how much they can make. Smash the like button if you are finding value in the video. That changed my mindset completely. Now, imagine risking 10% on one trade, just few losses, and your account is almost gone. But if you risk 1 or 2%, right, you can survive losing strikes and stay in the game longer, right? Forex is not a sprint, right? It's survivor. A lot of beginners blow accounts because they treat trading like gambling instead of business. Protect your money first. Profits come later. Am I understood? Number three, you don't need to trade every day. Now, this lesson took me a long time to learn. I thought we traders were supposed to be in the market like every single day. So I forced trades constantly, even when they were not certain, or even when the market wasn't clear, even when I knew deep down I shouldn't enter. And guess what happened? Losses upon losses. One of the biggest trading skill is knowing when not to trade. The best trade is not trade. Now, professional traders are patient. They wait for high quality setups instead of chasing random candles. But beginners often confuse activity with productivity. I'm understood. Just because you are always trading doesn't mean you are making progress. And that is the truth, right? The market will always be there. You don't need to like catch every move. You just need to catch the right moves. And once I stop forcing trade, my results improve dramatically, and it's still improving. Now, that takes us to number four. Losses are part of the game. This is something every beginner struggles with. Nobody likes losing, isn't it? But forex trading becomes easier the moment you accept losses are part of the game, or losses are normal. Even the best traders lost trades. You can have a very great strategy and still lose. That is because trading is a game of probability, not certainty, right? Before, every losing trade felt personal to me. I would get angry, frustrated, and emotional. Now, sometimes I do revenge trade, trying to recover immediately. I'm understood, and that usually made things worse. Eventually, I realized something powerful. One trade means nothing. It's the long-term result that matter. Think like a casino. Casinos lose some games every day, and they still win overall because they trust their system over time. That is how traders should think too. Stop expecting perfection. Focus on consistency instead. And that takes us to number five. Social media creates unrealistic expectations. And this is one of the most dangerous. Social media made you believe forex success happens overnight. You see people posting profit every day, luxury lifestyle, massive withdrawals. But what you don't see are the losses, stress, blown accounts, and years of learning behind the scenes. A lot of beginners entered forex expecting quick money, and that mindset alone destroys them, right? Because when reality hits, right, they become desperate, they over leverage, they over trade, they chase signals. The truth is, real trading success takes time, months, sometimes years. There is no shortcut around experience. Honestly, some of the most profitable traders online barely show off at all. So don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 10. Focus on improving slowly. That's the real part. And number 6, demo trading actually matters. I used to think demo trading was like useless. I just wanted real money immediately, and that is a big mistake. Demo trading is where you build discipline, confidence, and experience without destroying your finances. It's like training before entering a way fight. Now, the problem here is most beginners rush into live accounts because or without understanding the basics. Then emotion hits hard. Once real money is involved, everything feels different. That is why practice really matters. A demo account help you test strategies, understand market behavior, and improve decision making. I'm understood. Understand this. Demo trading doesn't make you less serious. It makes you smarter, because blowing multiple live accounts while learning is one of the fastest way to quit forex completely. And that takes us to number 7. Consistency beats big wins. One thing I used to chase was huge profit. I wanted to double account like quickly, but that mindset made me reckless. The longer I traded, the more I realized successful traders think differently. It focus on consistency, small wins, control risk, and steady growth, right? Forex is not about becoming rich in one trade. It's really about building habits that work repeatedly over time. A trader making 5% consistently every month with discipline will outperform someone making 50% one month and losing everything the next. Now, slow growth may look boring, but boring is profitable. And once I accepted that, trading became less stressful and sustainable. If I knew all these things before starting forex trading, I would have saved myself a lot of pain, mourning, and frustration. But maybe that's part of the journey, right? Forex trading can teach you discipline, patience, emotional control, and responsibility. If you are patient enough, or if you are still learning, don't rush the process. Focus on improving a little every day. Protect your capital, control your emotions, stay patient because in trading, survival comes before success. And trust me, the traders who last the longest usually win the biggest. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's one thing you wish you knew before starting Forex? Don't forget to join my Telegram community. You want one-on-one mentorship? The link is at the description. Drop your comment because I'm going to reply to each and every one of you. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.